This is Bizzy, a four-legged coach with a secret power. Like most dogs, Bizzy can sit, can lie down and shake paws. But her real talent is to teach us to speak dog. And every good trainer needs a sidekick. Meet Els, Bizzy's friend and two-legged coach. Together, they make BIZZY'S WORLD, a school workshop where tamariki can learn to better understand dogs.
Not every dog is ready for a hug or a pet or a cuddle. It's just like people. Some are excited, but some are a bit nervous or just want some space. With Bizzy and me, kids learn empathy and simple skills to build trust around dogs the right way.
BIZZY'S WORLD is fun, interactive and an approved early learning, primary and intermediate school program that helps tamariki connect with dogs safely and kindly. The workshops teach empathy and respect to help reduce the risks of accidents or dogs being rehomed or put down. Kids learn how dogs show us how they feel, what it really means to be a responsible dog guardian, and whether every dog really loves a cuddle. And yes, Bizzy Pats are absolutely on offer, obviously. With a small donation, Bizzy's school workshops can grow and reach more schools in Canterbury. So, if you're a dog lover, parent, grandparent or caregiver, please help us build a world of happy smiles and wagging tails.
BIZZY'S WORLD!
Visit www.bizzysworld.co.nz to donate now.